In 2025, security is everything. With millions lost to hacks and scams, choosing the right crypto wallet is more than just a decision. It is your first line of defense. So in this video, I'll break down the top crypto wallets, hot versus cold, and help you find the ones that fits your crypto lifestyle. Let's dive in. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, of course, comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. And all the resources and links used in this video are going to be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes.
So starting off, I want to talk a little bit about hot wallets and cold wallets and what's the difference between them and what to use based on you as a trader or a user. So for example, the hot wallets, which we have here, for example, MetaMask.io or TrustWallet.com. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And for hot wallets, what they offer, or what they are actually, is that they are wallets connected to the internet. Browser extensions, desktop wallet, exchanges, whatever. The advantages of using hot wallets, it's actually convenient and easy to access from frequent trading or transactions. It is ideal for daily use, for example, sending or receiving tokens, DeFi interactions, or NFTs, and usually they are actually free or at a low cost. The cons, it's actually that they are vulnerable to hacks, phishing, or malware, and less secure than cold wallets for large amount. And we have here as examples the MetaMask.io and the TrustWallet.com. I mean, MetaMask is a pretty famous project. I already have MetaMask. I use MetaMask since years now, and it's actually a pretty convenient option. It is a fast and easy option to actually create a crypto wallet and to receive and send money on the internet. The same thing applies for a Trust Wallet. If you go here to the features, we have here swaps, stakings, NFTs, crypto buying, security, and many other more. You could also use Trust Wallet as a building platform. You could be using the developer docs, which are guides for building powerful Web3 applications, open source, apps in front of millions, and of course get assets listed. And of course, creating an account and downloading their app is actually pretty simple, so make sure you do that as soon as possible to just discover what are these projects. The second part of this video is actually gonna be talking about the cold wallets. So what are the cold wallets? It is actually offline storage of crypto, and it's basically hardware. So the first option was software, the second option is hardware. As you can see here, these are small devices that you can actually buy to store your crypto securely and to always have access to it whenever you need it. So it is basically the pros for this. It's actually highly secure, isolated from the internet, so it's immune to online attacks, and of course best for long-term storage of large amounts. Let's say, for example, in 20-30 years, you don't have to actually have a password or a code to open up your wallet. You just need to have the device, which you probably obviously have, and with a fingerprint or with a face recognition system you can actually access your wallet. The cons of this, it is actually less convenient for frequent transactions. So if you are like a daily trader and if you want to use crypto every single day, this is actually not a very convenient option compared to the hot wallets. It is actually may cost you a little bit of money because obviously buying these hardware costs money. It is usually between 60 euros to 200 euros, but you can actually discover the actual prices on ledger.com. The links will be in the description below, so make sure to check them out. You can actually here see everything concerning this device right here, how you can actually stack them in this direction, and as you can see here, it is 399 euros for just the device. And the most bad convenient of this is if you lose it, then it cannot be backed up. So let's say, for example, that you are storing all of your crypto money inside of ledger stacks here, and you somehow like lost access to this device right here. I don't know, somebody stole it or something like that, then you will actually not be able to recover your crypto as long as you don't have the device. So these are like some small examples about hot and cold wallets. And what I want to talk about here is actually also a second option for cold wallets, which is Trezor. I was actually checking out this website not a long time ago. I find it really efficient, really good. The product that they are actually offering is, as you can see here, it's pretty small, and you can actually either get the first model for 49 euros, which is pretty cheap, the Safe 3 model, which is at 79 euros, or the Safe 5 option for 169 euros, which honestly, like if you look at this project right here, it is much cheaper than the Ledger, but of course you need to check out the different features for each device so you can actually compare them correctly. So let's talk really quick about when to use each, or based on your user type. So for example, for active traders or DeFi users, use hot wallets for daily use, might still store large amounts in a cold wallet and transfer funds to hot wallet as needed. For the long-term investors, or let's say holders, it is primary use cold wallet for safety and optional hot wallet for small occasional transactions. And if you are a beginner or somebody that doesn't know anything about this, then I think you should be starting with a hot wallet, easier setup, learn wallet safety, seed phrases, and etc. And then once you get to know more about these projects, then you can actually consider buying a cold wallet.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about the hot wallet and the cold wallet, the difference between them, and of course we gave some examples like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Ledger, and of course Trezor. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Of course, all of the links will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Have a good day. Bye bye.